Let me see. I've worked here for 4 years now, but for 1 year I commuted into Brighton by train. But after that, I got a room in a shared house in Brighton, and I lived there for a year before I got my own flat here 2 years ago. Lots of people like Brighton because it's on the coast, but I grew up by the sea, so that's nothing special for me. There's always plenty going on, though festivals, shows, sports events. I like that. My friends say the nightlife is good too, but I don't go out to bars much, so I wouldn't know. My things are always getting stolen. 2 bikes, a bag, 2 phones. And recently I read about someone who was attacked just after getting off the bus stop outside my flat. It's a shame because most people are really friendly and care about the city. It used to be a really dirty place, but volunteers do a great job cleaning it up. Well, I used to cycle everywhere, but since my last bike was taken 18 months ago, I've used a skateboard instead. I can carry it into shops with me or into the office. If I need to, I can take it on the bus. I don't drive. None of my friends do, because it's so hard to find places to park a car. Well, there are lots of great restaurants in the city, but I think my favourite place to eat out is a little café. It is on the edge of town, 3 or 4 miles from the city centre. It's on the beach, on the other side of the harbour. I go there in the mornings before work for a coffee and a bacon roll. It's a great start to the day before I go to the office.